Today we have a pronunciation request for two words that are oh so difficult to say, even for native speakers. Our first word is Mirror. That's a lot of R's. I know, right? But we pronounce it mirror. Mirror. We pronounce the I like it's an E in American English. And then the O, we don't pronounce it all because it's a schwa. Mirror. Mirror. Next up we have squirrel. 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 That consonant blend of the SQU is very tricky. And those R's? Oh my goodness. Squirrel. Oh, isn't that a cute squirrel? Okay, let's review. Mirror. 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 Squirrel. 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 Why does English have so many words that are oh so tricky to pronounce with all those R's and things? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence. I hope. The squirrel is staring at itself in the mirror. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with squirrel or mirror? Or do you have a pronunciation request? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.